Action.
Alright, so when you're building a coilover shock, putting it together is pretty basic. We're not going to go over that part. But the biggest pain in the butt for it is that, depending on the shock, but they hardly ever put the sleeve in here. This is all just rubber. And if you don't put the sleeve in, it's just going to bounce up and down and wear it out pretty bad. So make sure that the collar is the right size of your bolt. Some of the different shocks are going to have different size collars that you can put in there for different size bolts. So step one, a little lube always goes a long way. So I was going to use some grease, but I had some Marble Mystery Oil here, so I'm just going to put some Marble Mystery Oil in it. Now that I've made a big mess, I'll get it started. Put the vise here.
Think you added a bit much.
Never too much.
Never too much. Never say never, Bob.
So push it through here. But now what's going to happen, this is going to smash in pretty far. So I want to take something, I grabbed a washer that's just a little bit bigger than the end of that. So something that would be big enough to go over the end of that. I'm going to put it on this side, that way I can push it all the way through.
Get in there, old son.
So it's generally a pain, but it's in there.
That's how you do it.
That's how we do it.